To add a Mailchimp embedded form to your WordPress site, head over to the Audience tab. Choose the audience that you want to add the form for. Head over to Manage Audience, Sign Up Forms, and then we want embedded forms, so select, uncheck Include Form Title, and then scroll down, click in here so that it highlights everything, and then copy. We're now going to head over to WordPress, add an HTML block, so insert after, add, custom HTML, right click, paste, hit preview, and there's your form. That's how you embed a Mailchimp form in your WordPress website.